Hello guys, welcome to another quick tip. Today we want to determine the frequency of occurrence of an item from a list. Displayed on this table is a list of Premier League Golden Boot winners over the years in the EPL. The objective here is to find out the frequency of occurrence of a player from this list. We can do this in two methods. First one would be to use the counting function. For instance, pick Thierry Henry as an example. To use the counting function, press equal to count here. The range, select the player column, then the first item on the list, Ctrl Shift, keyboard down to get to the bottom of the list. Place a comma, and then criteria, select Thierry Henry. Excel returns 4, meaning that Thierry Henry occurs 4 times in this list. Second method is to create a pivot table. To do this, again, we click Insert, menu bar, we click Pivot Tables, select Pivot Table Range, select the whole table, first item on the table, again, Ctrl Shift, keyboard right to move to the edge of this table, down, select all the items on the table, press OK. On the pivot table field, select player field and move it to the row, and again we select the player field and move it to the values. Be sure to leave on count of player. Now we see the pivot table has generated a list and the count of player, which is the number of occurrence of the player on that list. Again, Thierry Henry has a frequency of 4. Thanks guys. See you in the next one.